My niece Stephanie is coming to stay with me.
I was kind of hoping to play now.
Oh, well, here you go.
Playing cards? I was gonna go out to find some kids to play with.
No one does that.
Who are you?
I'm Stephanie.
I'm Siggy.
So where do the kids in Lazy Town play?
Kids playing in Lazy Town? Ziggy, I said
You guys wanna play?
Okay.
Have you ever skipped rope?
Go away.
Have you ever been sad?
Super hero. He lives in an airship. Write a letter and send it to him in a tube by the mailbox.
Are you number 9?
I'm number 10. My name is Sparks.
A trap! First bullet cook!
Say what?
No!
Lower! Closer!
Okay. Glad to help.
Will you stay?